You guys have fun.
Your job's a joke, you broke. This vlog's gonna be really good. Oh, excuse me.
No, I
drink half of it.
Just drink 2 more. Ew.
I swooped in. I actually really like this flavor. It's like strawberry banana mixed with death. Ew, I don't want to smell your burp.
Ew, I actually tasted it. It was actually pretty gross.
Ew. Oh my god, did you know burp sounds like burp? So like, anyway.
That was so good.
My favorite cocktail is an espresso martini. What is wrong with me? I am not from this planet.
Oh. I don't know if finishing first.
Oh, never mind. I think he's getting paid.
Dude.
What was that?
Friday night at.
Better than you at everything.
Oh, that is true. She is better than me at everything.
Even my burps. Damn it!
Beat that! That wasn't even like, that was forced. That wasn't even organic, so.
Let's go to bed. Alright. What the hell? That's just...
I mean, chicken nuggets aren't that bad. I think I can eat them all. That means it's good, baby.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
You know what I'm saying? Because I think that's what I needed. That's my excuse. You like that? All right, let's see what we got.
But I decided, hey, if I bought a box.
Don't scare away the ghosts already, dude.
I'm scared of the ghosts and I know we're here.